You don't notice your pelvic muscles until they start getting weak. It happens slowly. Maybe your strength feels off. Your core feels disconnected. Your balance isn't the same. Even simple movements feel harder than they should. And most people, they ignore it. They think it's just age, or stress, or normal. But deep down, your body is asking for something. It's asking for strength, stability, control. And the good news is, you don't need boring, isolated Kegel squeezes to fix this. You can rebuild powerful pelvic strength using real, functional exercises that train your entire body together. That's what we're doing today. Simple movements, but done the right way, they can completely change how your body feels. Let's start with squat jacks. This is where power begins. Stand tall, then jump your feet out into a squat and jump back in. But don't just go through the motion. When you land in that squat, control your body. Engage your core, tighten your pelvic muscles slightly, and feel the connection between your hips and your center. Even if you don't jump and just step side to side, it still works. What matters is control. This exercise teaches your body to activate pelvic muscles in real movement, not just lying down doing nothing. Now move into crab pose. Sit on the floor, hands behind you, feet planted. Lift your hips up. Hold it there. At first it looks easy, but once you hold it, you'll feel everything working. Your glutes, your core, and deep inside, your pelvic muscles stabilizing you. This is real strength. Stay here, breathe slowly, and don't rush. That shaking you feel, that's your body waking up muscles you've been ignoring for years. Next is the body saw plank. Get into a plank position. Slowly shift your body forward and backward. This is not a regular plank. This is deeper. Your core is fully engaged, and your pelvic floor is automatically activating to keep your spine stable. Keep your body straight. No sagging, no shortcuts. If it feels tough, that's exactly where change happens. Now lie down for Glutes March. Lift your hips into a bridge. From here, slowly lift one leg, then the other like you're marching. The goal is simple. Don't let your hips drop. This forces your pelvic muscles to stay engaged the whole time. You'll feel a deep burn not just on the surface, but inside. That's where real strength is built. Stay slow, stay controlled. Now we level up with spider plank. Get into a plank position again and bring your knee toward your elbow, one side at a time. This adds movement and rotation. Your hips try to shift, but your pelvic muscles have to stabilize everything. That's the magic. Move slowly. Don't rush the reps. The slower you go, the more control you build. Next comes pike to cobra push-ups. Start with your hips high in a pike position. Lower your body forward into a push-up, then extend into a cobra stretch. This movement flows, but behind the scenes, your core and pelvic muscles are constantly adjusting. You're building mobility and strength together. This is how your body becomes not just strong, but flexible and controlled. Now let's go to bench glute bridges. Place your shoulders on a bench, feet on the ground. Lower your hips down, then push them up. At the top, pause. Squeeze your glutes and gently engage your pelvic muscles. Hold it for a second. Feel that contraction. Don't just rush through reps. Own each movement. This exercise is one of the strongest ways to rebuild pelvic power. And finally, half burpees. Drop down, kick your feet back, then come back up. No jump needed. This brings everything together. Strength, control, endurance. Your pelvic muscles fire automatically to stabilize your entire body during this movement. It's challenging, yes, but this is where transformation happens. Now, listen carefully. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to do everything at once. Start small. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference, because this isn't just about muscles. It's about confidence. It's about feeling strong when you walk, when you move, when you live your daily life. It's about getting your body back. And once you start feeling that strength again, you'll realize how much you were missing. So here's what I want you to do. Pick at least 3 of these exercises and start today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Stay consistent and your body will respond. And if you want more simple, powerful routines like this, make sure you subscribe. I'm here to help you stay strong, active, and confident at any age. Now I want to connect with you. Tell me your name and which city you're watching from. I read every comment and I'd love to know where you're joining from. Let's build strength together.